Let me ask you something. If Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, woke up tomorrow with just $1,000 to his name, what do you think he would do with it? Would he put it in a savings account? Buy lottery tickets? Spend it on something nice? Not a chance. And here's the fascinating thing. The answer to that question is not a mystery, because Elon Musk has spent decades publicly talking about how he thinks about money, risk, and building wealth. And when you actually study what he says, and more importantly, what he does, a very clear investment philosophy emerges, one that you and I can actually learn from and apply even with just $1,000. I'm going to break it down into 5 principles today. Let's get into it. Principle 1. Bet on the future, not the present. Here is something most people do not know about Elon Musk. In 2008, he was simultaneously running Tesla and SpaceX. Both companies were weeks away from bankruptcy. His personal fortune was nearly gone. And instead of cutting his losses and walking away, he took his last $14 million and split it between both companies to keep them alive. Now, obviously none of us have $14 million, but the principle behind that decision is something anyone can apply. Elon does not invest in what is popular today. He invests in what he believes the world will need tomorrow. Electric vehicles when nobody believed in them. Space travel when it seemed like science fiction. AI when most people thought it was decades away. What does this mean for your $1,000? Stop chasing last year's winners. Instead, ask yourself, what industries are going to be essential in 10 to 20 years? Renewable energy, artificial intelligence, space technology, biotech. A simple index fund focused on technology and innovation puts your money exactly where the future is heading. That is principle 1. Bet on tomorrow, not today. Principle 2. Invest in yourself before anything else. This one surprises people. For someone worth hundreds of billions of dollars, Elon Musk talks surprisingly often about the importance of self-investment. In interviews, he has repeatedly said that the best investment anyone can make, especially early in their journey, is in their own skills and knowledge. Think about what Elon did before he became Elon Musk, the billionaire. He taught himself rocket science by reading textbooks. He learned software engineering as a teenager. He read voraciously across physics, economics, history, and biography. He built his human capital relentlessly before he ever had financial capital to invest. So with your $1,000, put at least $200 of it into learning something that directly increases your earning power. An online course, a book collection, a certification, a skill that makes you more valuable professionally or that helps you build a side income. The return on self-investment consistently outperforms any stock or crypto you will ever buy. That is principle 2. Principle 3. Take calculated risks, not comfortable ones. Elon Musk has a famous quote. He said, "Most people overestimate risk and underestimate their ability to recover from failure." Read that again. Most people overestimate risk and underestimate their ability to recover from failure. This is why so many people keep their savings in a bank account earning 1%, while inflation runs at 3%. It feels safe, but it is actually a guaranteed slow loss. Elon would never do this. He understands that the biggest risk of all is taking no risk. With your $1,000, this means putting a portion, not all of it, but a meaningful portion, into something with real growth potential. A diversified stock market index fund historically returns 7 to 10% per year. Over 20 years, $1,000 at that rate becomes nearly $4,000. In a savings account at 1%, that same $1,000 becomes just $1,200. The numbers make the decision for you. Calculated risk is not gambling. It is doing your research, diversifying, investing for the long term, and not panicking when markets drop. That is exactly what Elon does at a billion-dollar scale. You can do the same thing at a $1,000 scale. Principle 4. Build things that scale without you. One of the most important things I've noticed studying Elon Musk is that he never trades time for money. He builds systems, companies, products, technologies that generate value while he sleeps. Tesla sells cars around the clock. Starlink satellites generate subscription revenue continuously. His businesses scale without requiring more of his personal time. Now, you cannot build Tesla with $1,000, but you absolutely can apply the same scaling principle. A YouTube channel earns ad revenue on every video forever after it is posted. A digital product on Etsy sells while you sleep. An affiliate link in a blog post earns commissions 24 hours a day. These are your version of scalable systems. Put $300 of your $1,000 into starting something that can eventually run without your constant presence. A channel, a product, a piece of content that keeps working for you long after you created it. This is how ordinary people begin building Elon Musk-style leverage. Not with billions, but with the same principle applied at a smaller scale. Principle 5. Think long-term when everyone else is thinking short-term. In 2022, when Tesla's stock dropped 65%, most investors panicked and sold. Elon did not sell a single share, because his time horizon is not months or even years, it is decades. He has publicly said he thinks about where humanity will be in 20 to 30 years and works backwards from there. This long-term thinking is genuinely the hardest principle to apply because our brains are wired for short-term gratification. We want results now. We check our investments daily. We panic when markets fall. But here's the truth. Every market crash in history has eventually recovered and gone on to reach new highs. Every single one. The people who got rich from investing were not the ones who timed the market perfectly. They were the ones who stayed in long enough for compounding to do its work. With your $1,000, once you invest it, commit to not touching it for at least 5 years, ideally 10. Set it up, automate monthly contributions, even if it is just $20 a month, and then largely ignore it. Let time do what time does best. So let me bring this all together. If Elon Musk had $1,000 to invest in 2026, based on everything he has publicly shared about his financial philosophy, here is exactly what I believe he would do. $200 into self-education, a course, books, skills that compound his human capital. $300 into a broad technology and innovation index fund, betting on the future, not the present. $300 into building something scalable, a content channel, a digital product, something that works without him. And $200 held as a small emergency buffer, because even Elon knows you need dry powder for unexpected opportunities. That is $1,000 deployed with purpose, patience, and a long-term mindset. Not exciting, not flashy, but extraordinarily effective over time. The gap between where you are financially and where you want to be is not about how much money you have right now. It is about how you think about the money you do have. Start thinking like Elon, and the results will follow. Subscribe to Smart Money Insights for a new money strategy every single week, and drop a comment below. Which of these 5 principles are you going to apply first? I genuinely read every comment, and I will see you in the next one.